I'm going to show you how to be a vegan and how to be an entrepreneur, your own boss. Oh, you look so pretty. Listen, I said this and I'm going to say it again. I just got out the shower. I didn't feel like putting on the shirt. I have to do this video before I get dressed to go to a client. Don't judge me. Don't look at none of the little ground beef hair I got. I know I got a bird chest. I know I look like 12 o'clock. Don't say anything to me, okay? I'm trying to help you. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how you can make money today, okay? Now, when I say today, I don't want nobody, matter of fact, I'm not going to mock you. I'm not going to mock the trolls. But I will say, I'm going to give you an idea on how you can make money today with zero money, with little to no money. Okay, so the first thing that I want to do is I want to talk to you guys about affiliate marketing briefly, okay? And I'm going to talk to you guys about ClickBank, okay? Let's define affiliate marketing real quick before I leave. I'm gonna try to do this video on one take. Okay, affiliate marketing, according to Google, a marketing arrangement by which an online retailer pays a commission to an external website for traffic or sales generated from its referrals. So if you have an affiliate marketing link, or if you have affiliate marketing link, you're basically selling other people's products and in exchange for commission. So if you sell someone's product, mind you, you don't have to have no website, you don't have to have anything set up, everything you can do is free. They're going to give you a link, and that link is tied to the back office, and they can track where the traffic is coming from, if that makes sense. So each time someone purchases something, their product through your link, you will get commission for each time. No websites, nothing, okay? All you need is internet. That's the only thing you're pretty much paying for, and you can even go to a library and do this. So you can really make money with zero money doing this, okay? Now, with that being said, I'm going to briefly go over this website called ClickBank. Now, if you're under a rock, I'm going to tell you what ClickBank is. Let me look it up so I can give you the exact definition of ClickBank. But essentially, ClickBank is a affiliate marketing site to where you could sell other businesses products in exchange for commission. Okay, I'm gonna pull up the definition. Okay, products and services. ClickBank aims to serve as a connection between digital content creators, also known as vendors, and affiliate marketers who then promote them to consumers. ClickBank's technology aids in payments, tax calculations, and a variety of customer service tasks, according to Wikipedia, okay? They always try to make something sound so fancy. It ain't that deep. You sell other people's products in exchange for a commission. That's really it. You don't got to do nothing too crazy about it, okay? Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show a screen of the ClickBank website once I can find it in my screen here. Okay, let's go. Okay, 3, 2, 1, bam, bam, boogie. Boom. Alright, so this is the site. What you're going to do is you're going to create your account, and once you create your account, you'll be logged in, and once you log in, this is kind of what the back office looks like. You're going to go up to Marketplace, okay? You have to create your account and stuff like that. But once you create your account, attach your banking information, it's going to give you a list of categories that you can choose from. And all you have to do is find something that you're interested in. Simple, simple, simple. Find something that you're interested in. For example, if you're interested in games, I'm going to try to go quick. If you're interested in games, they have a list of products. They have a list of vendors who are selling those related products, okay? Find something that you're interested in. Make sure you do your research so you're not promoting a shady company. And on the right side, they're going to show you about how much commission you're going to get off each sale. And as you can see on the left side of the screen, you're going to have the description of the product. But you pick a product you want. For example, this product here, they're going to forward you to a landing page, which I'm going to talk about in another video, what a landing page is. And then you're going to see the person's pitch. If this is something that you wouldn't be interested in, I wouldn't advise on promoting it. But this person is pitching their product, and each time they get a customer, you will get a commission. That's basically how it works, okay? Don't really know too much about this product, but if you want to promote that product, you just click promote. You fill out that information, go through that information, and then you're going to get a link. This is very important. This is how you're going to make your money. Well, there's several ways you can make money, but this is a very quick, easy way to make money. You're just going to take the link, and then you can make a video like how I'm making a video about it, and you can post your videos in Facebook, and make sure you're not spamming people. Make sure you're just talking about a product that's relative towards this product. So if you want to sell games or something like that, go into a group on Facebook that is talking about games, you know. Or if you're interested in health and fitness, go into a group about health and fitness and give tips, give something of value, okay? Give something of value. Don't just go selling like, hey, you know, go get this link, it's really good. You can tell them like, hey, I did this, it's really been working out for me. Or if you're selling some game related product, you just say, hey, I played this game, it's so cool. I'm gonna give you the top 10 games, the best selling games out there on the internet, and then you can give them a list of games that's out on the internet. Give them something of value, okay? And then you can say, hey, you know, I also been playing this game called Folklore 997. That's just an example. I got this game called Folklore 997, and I think it's really cool. I think you guys will like it. I'm actually an affiliate for them, and be transparent. I'm actually an affiliate for them. So if you guys like it, you can go ahead and click on that link and check the website out. That's all you got to say at the most part. At the end of the day, it's up to them of what they want to do at the end of the day. And you could just say, hey, if you're interested, I'm an affiliate for them. I think you might like it. Go ahead, click on that link. But until then, I'll talk to you guys in the next video. That's pretty much it. You're making money. And if you don't like the affiliate marketing lane, you could sell cheap products on Facebook, on your Facebook page. Just go to the dollar store. You can get something for $1 and flip it for $5. You can sell cookies, get some cookies like, hey, I got this for sale. Especially if you got a lot of your friends are in the area. So like I just moved, so I wouldn't be able to use my personal page to do this. But say if you want to sell cookies and you got a lot of your friends that you went to high school with or something like that, you'll be like, hey, I'm selling these on Facebook, whatever. Come get them. I'm selling them for $5. You can come get them, or I can send them to you. However you want to do it. That's a way of making a quick flip from the internet. So with that being said, damn, every time I do these videos, I be talking, my mouth be getting dry. Jesus Christ. But anyway, I hope that helps you guys. I'll talk to you guys in the next video. I gotta get some water and get dressed. Y'all be careful. Be safe. I gotta stop biting people's stuff. See y'all later. Bye.
Yo! What's going on, YouTube? Jeremiah, the vegan entrepreneur here, and I want to remind you guys to make sure that you subscribe. All you have to do is go to my videos or something like that and click the subscribe button. And when you click the subscribe button, click the bell. The bell is the key to success. That is going to allow me to come up and let you know each time I get a video. Thank you.